Hi folks, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to insert a comment in Microsoft Excel. So what you do is basically find the cell that you wish to comment on, click on it, then right click with your mouse and go to Insert Comment, or alternatively you can go to the ribbon part where it says Review, and then this button here, New Comment. If you click on that, a comment will pop up as well. Now, just to quickly overview the comment properties, it's generally this color, which is like an ivory yellow type of color. You can resize the comment to as you see fit. This bold bit here is basically the username that your copy of Microsoft Excel is registered to. Okay, so I'm just going to leave a quick comment and write MacBooks accounted for the majority of this. Okay, just a nice simple comment. Now once you've finished typing your comment, you simply click out anywhere else on the spreadsheet. There. Now the comment basically is shown in a spreadsheet cell by this little triangle, this red triangle there, and as you can see, if you move your mouse near it, the comment pops up. Now let's add another comment, for example here, and say majority sold were premium headphones. Okay. Now, I've left two comments. If you wanted a quick way to basically turn on any comment and make it visible on a worksheet, you would head over to this selection here, Show All Comments. And there you go, your comments would pop up on your worksheet. Now, one thing here is that you can see that they're overlapping. Now, what some people do is that they move the comment away from another one so that they don't overlap. Another thing you can do, folks, and this is a fairly handy tip, is if you right click on a particular comment and go to Format Comment here, in the alignment section, if you click Automatic Size, it basically resizes your comment to make it a bit more slicker and streamlined. And again, you can do the same for this one. Automatic resize. There you go. Okay, so just to give you an example of what this resize functionality will do, basically any text that you add to your comment, when you click out, the comment will resize to accommodate that. So if I start typing, the majority sold were of the color red, full stop. Now you can't see what I've typed because the comment hasn't resized, but as soon as I click out of the cell, you can see that the comment has resized automatically. So that's the only pitfall I would say of this resize option, that you can't actually see the text if it goes off the comment until you click out of the comment. But considering that it automatically resizes your comment, makes it look much more tidier and much more neater, I think it's a small price to pay. Okay, last but not least, I'm just going to show you how to delete a comment. You would basically select it. Now you can press delete on the keyboard, or you can use this icon here, delete. There. Another option, which is quite handy, are these two buttons here, which is previous and next. And this basically will cycle through the comments on your worksheet. Okay, so that concludes this lecture. We have seen how to insert a comment, how to type in a comment, how to delete a comment, how to automatically resize a comment, and how to cycle through comments. We've shown the options that are available on the ribbon there. Okay, so thank you for listening and watching.